sticky slime, look how sticky it is. I'm going to pour it out onto the table so then you can see. If you have a slime like this, don't worry, it will be fixed. So as you can see, it's super slimy. And it's super sticky too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to fix this. If you ever get a slime like this. So, you're going to go ahead and grab your activator. Add a bit of activator, a couple drops, and mix it up. You can obviously do this in a bowl. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to try and put it back in the bowl. Mix it up on the table. Add a bit of activator. Add it in. Try and mix it up with your hands. I'm going to grab a spoon. Mix it up. I'm going to add a bit more activator. Super duper stretchy. Perfect. It feels so good. So that's how to fix your really sticky slime. Now if you mix them both together, that'll create a really nice feeling slime.